What's up, guys? It's me, Vincenzo. In today's video, we're opening up a Lucario VSTAR box. So let's get right into it.
Okay, so there's 6 packs in here, so we both get 3.
Yeah. I hope you guys have been enjoying the videos
that we keep doing and doing.
Okay.
So it comes with 1 big card and 2 little cards.
Okay. I'll tell them everything, right?
Okay.
So it's right. So can you get the sleeves open?
Sure.
Alright, so we have our Lucario VSTAR promo.
Here's the sleeves.
Ooh, I love that card. Then we have our Lucario V full art. It doesn't matter which sleeves, alright? Just get me sleeves. Put this back up there.
Okay. So let's get right into it.
You get the coin
and
jumbo Lucario coin. And then we have, hold on, stop. We have a V-Star card. Then we have our Lucario pin. Our jumbo Lucario V-Star. There's legends.
Okay, let's get right into it.
Right. These are your 3 packs. These are my 3 packs.
Oh, okay. Okay, so
let me sleeve the V-Stars or the V full art and the V-Star.
Okay.
Alright. There we go. And we have our Lucario V-Star.
And this time I will go first because I went first in the car. I mean, you went first. So I'm gonna open this.
Okay. Gengar Fusion Pack.
I'm getting better at opening these packs.
Yeah, way better.
Yeah, way better.
Hopefully we can pull that Alt Art Gengar or Alt Art Mew, something like that. Something fire, okay? Especially for my friend Brayden, who's trying to collect this set. I'm trying to help him out. Energy. Stammer. Gligar. Scentiscorch. Bunnelby. Mudkip. Eevee. Caterpie. Morpeko. Vulpix. Virizion.
That's it.
Oh.
Your turn.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna open up Genesect.
See this again, my friend.
Okay. Hopefully I don't cut myself again. Energy. Rubber gloves. Corvus Squire. Sandshrew. Snubble. Geodude. Sizzlipede. Collectipede. Handsage. Totodile.
Ooh,
the
first
Braylon
thing.
V. I actually think my friend needs that.
Okay. This.
Jungreen.
Whoa. That was much easier than I thought. Okay. Code card.
One, two, three, four. Energy. Brawley. Clara. Kirkliffy. Scorbunny. Golden. Deerling. Sneasel. Glenn Farfetch'd. Inkay and Celebi VMAX. I actually opened up a Hoopa V and Dragonite V box during last Christmas when I didn't have a YouTube channel. And I actually pulled this. This is the only pull that I got out of Chilling Reign. So it's actually surprising because there's usually nothing out of Chilling Reign. So, yeah. Now we both pulled Celebi VMAX. I did before and my sister did before. Sophia. Alright. Fusion Strike. We're saving Brilliant Stars for last. I haven't opened up Brilliant Stars in so long.
Yeah.
Oh. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Energy. Fusion Strike Energy. Turn Trader. Pikamuku. Eevee. Shelter. Voltorb. Q-Clan. Pansy. Snom. Ooh, and a Deoxys Hollow.
Okay, my
Fusion
turn.
Strike, Single Strike, and Rapid Strike.
My
sleeve
turn. Because that's actually shiny.
I'm slaving this.
Charizard, please get me something.
Charizard Brilliant Stars.
Please get me something. Please.
We're doing pretty good. This
Yeah.
box is pretty good.
Yeah, this box is actually really good.
Okay, code card.
Code card. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Energy.
Pachirisu. Choice Belt. Luxio. Sneasel. Corphish. Magmar. Spiritomb. Burmy.
Ooh.
Vaporeon. Oh, yo! I already have that. Vaporeon character card.
2. We got 2.
And a Charizard V. Let's go.
Hey, that's
We got
actually
2
good.
in one pack. Here, you sleeve the Vaporeon. It's an Eevee.
Yeah, it's an Eevee family.
Charizard, I have a Charizard pack and a Vaporeon
So this
character card.
my first rare Eevee.
Hopefully, we can get something out. Dude, we have a lot of hits. Look at this.
I know. We have a lot of
You guys
hits.
can see.
Literally.
A lot of hits.
This pack is actually real good.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure you're going to get something too.
Maybe. Never know.
Because that's
Alright.
the same Charizard.
Last pack magic. Yeah, we have 2 of those Charizards.
Yeah, so this one can be mine.
Nah, I don't think so, but
Okay.
maybe.
Maybe. I mean, what can we have?
Okay, good card.
Let's see if you get anything.
Okay.
Look
Fire
really
energy.
carefully.
Sensino. Rock, Fleecy Gloves. Floatzel. Axew. Nosepass. Snorunt. Clink. Dedenne. And a Flygon Monho. Okay.
I can't believe this.
We got a lot.
I know. Except these two.
Alright, so recap.
So cool.
Alright, so we got a recap. So we got Deoxys Hollow, Celebi VMAX, Lucario VSTAR, which came in the box, Also, Lucario V, Vaporeon, Breloom, Charizard, and
That's
have
it.
Jumbo, Lucario VSTAR.
Yep.
And we got this. This is a pretty cool pin.
I know. Very
Lucario
cool.
and this. Alright. That is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.